Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a data dashboard with Tableau, full guide step by step clearly. To build a data dashboard with Tableau, start by downloading and installing Tableau Desktop from the official website. Once installed, launch Tableau and connect to your data source. You can connect to various data formats, including Excel, SQL databases, and cloud services. After selecting your data, Tableau will display the data in the data pane on the left side. Drag and drop the necessary fields into the rows and columns shelves to create your initial visualization. Explore different visualization types using the Show Me panel to find the best representation of your data. Once you have a visualization you like, customize it by adding filters, colors, and labels to enhance clarity. To create a dashboard, click on the New Dashboard button at the bottom of the screen. You will see the dashboard pane, where you can drag your sheets from the data pane onto the dashboard area. Arrange the visualizations in a meaningful way to tell your data story effectively. Consider adding interactive elements like filters or parameters to allow users to engage with the dashboard. Adjust the size of the dashboard to fit your intended display screen under the size options in the dashboard pane. Add titles, text boxes, or images to provide context or explanations for your visualizations. Review your dashboard to ensure that all elements are aligned and easy to read. To share your dashboard, go to File and select Save to Tableau Public or Export options. Choose the appropriate format based on your audience's needs. Finally, ensure all data sources are updated regularly to maintain accuracy in your dashboard. You now have a functional data dashboard created with Tableau, ready to provide insights at a glance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.